All right, happy Vlogmas, everyone. This is Rocky, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, this is where we normally talk about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago, and just a little bit of beauty. I am going to be participating in Vlogmas this year, which means I am going to vlog every single day in December up until Christmas. And you get to see me and all of my wonderful adventures every single day. We're going to be talking a lot about beauty because I will be opening up an advent calendar, which is from The Body Shop. And every day there'll be something beauty related that we talk about. In addition to that, if there is something special happening that day or a special story I want to share, we'll also be doing that during the vlogs every single day. Some days the vlogs will just be the advent calendar that I'm sharing. Other days it'll have the stories that I'm talking about. So let's get right into it. All right, we are doing Vlogmas day number 3, opening the third gift on our advent calendar. Let me show you what she looks like. So there she is in all of her glory. Let's find number 3. All right, right there on top. Day number 2 and number 3 made it very easy for me. Let me open this up with you. All right, number 3 says, did you know our pioneering global community fair trade program has been going on strong since 1987? Oh no! Let's open this up. All right, digging right in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh. We have a cool chamomile sumptuous makeup cleansing butter. I feel like, okay, this probably removes. Yes, it does. It says suitable for sensitive skin, and it removes waterproof makeup. I don't wear makeup, so guess what? One of you will be getting this in a giveaway. So we are marching towards 2,000 subscribers and becoming monetized finally after 6 years. So what I'm doing as a celebration once we hit those targets is to do a really big giveaway. I'm going to be doing multiple giveaways, just like we did when we hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to bless several of you with giveaways of different beautiful products that all fall into the categories of this channel: fashion, lifestyle, and probably a bit of beauty. So that's all we have today for today's vlog. Make sure you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog, but the only way you'll know if I posted something if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come back tomorrow, I'll have something special for you, and I'm also doing giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. Bye!